So you wrote your first book, The CEO's Digital Marketing Playbook. Tell us a little bit about the book.
About 2.5 years ago, I wanted to put not just thoughts on paper, but the tactics that I personally and my agency kind of run on a daily basis. It was more for a playbook internally. So when we would hire awesome, smart men and women kind of straight out of school, we have to train them in what we do. And so it was primarily for an internal playbook. It became much more of I feel there's a significant need in the market for a book that helps executives be able to quarterback 21st century marketing in their companies. And there's a ton of books about social media. There's a lot of books about marketing in business and social media. Very, very few are actually able to give an executive or a team a playbook, step by step. So both the strategy is really important, but if it's just talking at a high level and doesn't really get to like the actual tactics, I don't know how effective that is. So the book went from more of an internal document, playbook for my agency and my coworkers, to something for a larger audience.